This is my first unboxing video. So this is gonna be cool. This is the sweater that I am. This is I am, I'm 9 years old. At my grandma's house right now. We open this. Yes. Oh, I forgot to show you this, but who cares? You might break someone, okay? This is hard to open. I need some more money. Yeah. So I was saying they're dancing, so. Well, not really dancing, don't go. Oh yes. Now open this. Here is a sweater that it's a mystery one. I'm so excited. The mystery one was Hulk. It looked like Hulk. Look, this is purple. This is not blue. It's like a blue but purple. And also green. It looks like Hulk. And there are just the threes. Oh my god, that's the mystery one. You can also break them apart if you want to make a different kind. That's cool. This is cool. Look. This is also cool. I can also break them apart and make different ones. Bye guys, it was my first unboxing video. I thought it was quick, but bye.